Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good. So today I have came with another video in Python, that is a Django project as we were creating it previously in the video you have seen. In that video we have seen that how to take input in the form and how to edit the form. Now in this video we will see how to delete the item from the item list too. Worry, let me activate my virtual window. So you will press CMD. Let me open my DOS terminal, and here you will type activate the window and you will hit enter. Now you will press CD and you will come to the previous directory, and then next you will go to the project folder. So I have created the name using user input. You can create any suitable name you want. And now upon coming to the user input, now we will open the VS Code. You will type code space create and you will hit enter. So upon hitting enter, you see your VS Code has been opened. Why we are opening Visual Studio Code from here? Because all our dependencies are stored in the requirements.txt file. You can see from it here that all the dependencies which we got from upon pressing the command, that is pip phrase, we got all these dependencies, and now we have just using the redirection operator, we have just copied all the dependencies to the requirements.txt file, so that for that reason we are just opening the VS Code from DOS terminal. So upon opening, now we will just run the server. For it we will type python manage dot py run server. So upon hitting this command, we will, let's see what is happening. It will start the development server at this HTTP response, that is the localhost 8000. I will simply copy it and I will paste it in the browser. So upon pressing it, let me see what's opening. It's opened the form which I have created previously, and here you will give any name you want. Let me give my name only, and here the age. I'm pressing it, and let me give my another name. Let me give another name. And let me save it. So I have taken all the data, and let me just delete it. So what we will do upon hitting this delete button, so the user is giving the request that let me delete the item ID too. So upon hitting this delete, say got deleted. So upon hitting the enter, is sending the request to the views.py file where it is here. It's taking the request and the item ID, that is the second ID which I have deleted. Upon taking it, it's telling the views function, that is accepting the request and the item ID, that is the which I item it to be deleted. And here we are using the global a variable, that is the items underscore list, as we have declared it previously as a globally. Why we are just using it as a globally? Because so that the function can modify the variable at the module level too, because if the scope is local, it cannot modify it. That's why you're using it as a globally, where you're taking the global variable uses. And here in line number 68, just see thoroughly what we are doing here. Here we are showing that in the highlighted part, you see it's showing that we are creating a new list by filtering out the item whose ID matches with the item ID. That means we are taking all the items in item list except the item ID which the user wants to delete. That's why we are using the not equals to operator, that it shouldn't get matched, because whatever the items we are taking in items underscore list, that is a new list, it will take except the item ID, that is the user wants to delete. That is, it ensures that only items with an ID different from the given one, that is the item ID, remains in the list. And follow we are using for traversing in the item list. And then we are using, after deletion, we are using the redirect function in Django, which triggers a new request for the specified route. That is, after deleting, it will come to the home page. As you can see in urls.py file, we are giving the name. And also in this index.html file, you have to give the table data, the delete anchor tag. Clear? Like as you have given in the edit, because it will tell to the user that we have to delete the item. What item? The item ID the user will give. And you know item.0 means the item ID. And 1 means first name, 2 means last name, 3 means age. Means item.3 means age. So this way we will just delete the item from the item list. I hope you understood this delete concept. I hope to bring the new application to this project too. Stay tuned till the next video. Bye bye. Have a great day.